Hey guys, what's good? Just coming at y'all with a quick video about a watch I recently picked up. This is the FreeStyle Shark. It's a really cool watch. As you can see, it is a digital quartz watch and just really fun to wear. It's a great size and it's not that expensive either. It costs about $65 plus shipping, and it's from a company that's actually been around for a while. This company started making watches kind of like in the early 80s. They got really popular in the mid 90s, I would say, and just kind of just like went away for a little while. Went through a lot of different ownership groups, but are back now and are back making watches. Hodinkee has a really fun article about this company, very informative, and it just brings back a lot of nostalgia. I remember these when I was a kid growing up, and it's just cool that you can buy these again. They come in a couple of different varieties. So this is the leash, and the reason it's called a leash is because of this interesting strap system. And basically, it's a strap that it's just a bunch of Velcro strips, and so you just kind of like fold these on each other, kind of like that, and it's kind of reminiscent of like a surfboard leash. And there's also a version called the clip, and so that's a plastic clip strap, and they even have ones with a rubber strap. It's a surf style watch. It's one you can get wet. You can get it in the water, and it's 100 meters water resistant. It's got a kind of like a resin plastic case, so it's super lightweight, and just a really fun watch to wear. Before I forget, the website is FreeStyle USA. So check them out for sure. I think they're really fun. I think they're super interesting. Let me put it on my wrist. Give me a second and I'll be right back and we'll keep talking about it, okay? All right, guys, I'm back, and there you see it on the wrist. So 38 millimeters in diameter, kind of like a square-shaped watch, kind of reminiscent of a lot of G-Shocks. But I'll be honest, I mean, I'd have this over, I don't know, a lot of G-Shocks, certainly even more expensive ones, and I've owned a lot of really expensive G-Shocks. Check out my video of my MRG. Cool watch, but I mean, this is a lot of watch for the money. I think $70 is admittedly expensive for a sort of like a simple quartz watch, but it's 100 meters water resistant. It has a lot of styles. I got the most boring one I could find, the black with the gray strap, but there's a lot of cool, colorful options. I think it makes a really good gift, really good for like kids or young people, and just kind of really fun to wear. I mean, I could see somebody collecting a bunch of these and wearing them, and they wear really easy. The watch is super light, super easy to wear on the wrist, and you can buy the strap separately if you want to switch it up. Anyway, I appreciate you guys logging on. I appreciate you guys watching this video, and this is a quick look at the FreeStyle Shark leash. Really cool watch. One I'd recommend it, 70 bucks. I mean, it's painless. Wear it, enjoy it, give it away. I mean, I think that's an awesome way to enjoy this watch. Also, as you may be able to tell, I've switched around my equipment a little bit. Instead of recording on my iPhone, I am using a new setup, and so please let me know if that's working for you or not. Hopefully the audio is a little better. Hopefully the video is a little bit better. All right, I'm rambling as always. I hope you guys like a quick look at a cool watch, one I definitely recommend. This is the FreeStyle Shark. Guys, take care. God bless. Lots more content coming for y'all soon. All right, guys. Love y'all. Bye.